Keni team mar Kenya mar jok manigi mamine manigi ng'ol mar winjo mong'ere kaka Kenya Deaflympics team ikore ni tuke madhi timore dwe manyien mar basketball e boma ma Tokyo e piny mar Japan. Captain mar team no wacho ni gin gi ikruok makare ni tukego. Tukego chakore tarik 15 nyaka tarik 26 dwe mar 11 higa ni Japan. Kenya dhi e tugo go mag mine kuom thuolo mar 3 moluwore.
We've been in the camp, so the aim is to travel to Japan. But so far, in the previous Deaflympics, we've been in other championships like the ones in Brazil and even Greece. We've been training so hard, and our main aim so far is to get a medal.
So far, so good. The training has been good. We've had several trainings since the selections on 26th and 27th of August, which happened on this ground. And we have players from various counties. And we are now doing the non-residential camp as we wait for the official residential camp. There are supposed to be 20 of them. Some of them are from different counties, some far. They were not able to attend today, and today I have only 14 ladies. But the squad will be cut down to 12 players who will travel to represent Kenya in Japan.